Finally, let us see what we discussed in this presentation. We had the types of practice guidelines, so which were the S1 to S3 different types of guidelines. Then levels of evidence that support practice guidelines. That means the evidence pyramid, unfiltered and filtered evidences. I think every clinician should be aware of the evidence pyramid and should be able to tell where each evidence is fitting to. Then we discussed today the criteria that ensure trustworthiness of published evidence-based guidelines. That means the grade and agree tools. Grade and agree tools. So you should be able to tell what they are and how they function and what is their purpose. For what purpose we use the grade and for what we use the agree. Okay, these two are very important. Lastly, I gave some words, I mentioned some words about the implementation of evidence-based guidelines, and we briefly discussed that there is no size that fits everybody, and the one guideline which is functioning very well in Germany or in USA or in Kyrgyzstan may not function that good in another country. So you should check also for the whether this guideline is fitting to you or not. Okay, that was it for today. See you in another presentation. Thanks for watching.